Now the last aerosol generator we're gonna talk about is the 6-jet bang. First, attach the jar to the device, and the same way as we attach the collision, attach it to the swivel, to the diluter. Push it all the way in. Make sure that is held nice and tight, but it can still rotate. Okay. And now we're going to assemble the peristaltic pump that will pump your test article into the bag. So first, mount the base of the ring stand. Next, take the holding bracket, and we are going to mount the pump. The pump is going to be mounted with the tube channels going basically towards the direction of the aerosol generator. So basically it's going to be mounted in this position. Remove the two clamps and slide it into the bracket and put the clamps back. So slide them this way until they hold the bracket tight. With Phillips screwdriver, adjust the screws so that the bracket can slide into the ring stand. Then make sure the bracket is tight and tighten up the screws again to hold it into position. And use the two red thumb screws to hold the bracket against the ring stand. Now we are going to mount the feeding tube. So for this, lift the head and put the tube with the stopper, the red stopper, here, and make sure that it holds it tight all around the head, and then pull the other stopper until it holds the pump, the tube tight. Make sure that the tube is not too much stretched over the head, otherwise it won't be able to pump any liquid. Okay, then close the head. So the direction of the liquid will be from a jar that holds the solution. So this will be the inlet of the pump. You'll put it inside the jar with the solution, and the other end, you're going to attach it to the fitting of the bag. The pump comes with two different feeding tubes. The one with the blue stoppers is thinner, so basically this is for lower feeding rates. If you want more liquid fed into the bag, you'll use the larger diameter with the red stoppers. Now we'll connect the power supply to the back of the pump. Okay, so this is the the control unit of the pump. So the green lights indicate the speed of the rotation of the pump head. In order to accelerate, we have to increase and decrease. As we push this button, you'll see the green light going up. It means that the pump is rotating more quickly. If we want to reverse the pump operation, the head, well, in our case, you don't have to touch it because otherwise it will actually suck solution instead of putting it in, but you can do that. And to stop and start the pump, just push the button once, it starts. So you can see the head rotating, and as I push it again, it stops. So basically it's on, and as you see, now the liquid is rising on the tube, and then it will be injected in, and it will come out on the other direction. So if you want more higher aerosol concentration in the chamber, you have to increase the speed of the pump rotation by pushing the arrows up or down. So the liquid, as you see, is starting moving more quickly to the bag. Now, for the rest of the operation, so the operation of the panel is identical to Kali's.